In today's world, threats to our digital systems are constant. From phishing attempts to full-blown cyber attacks, your network is always at risk. That's where Intrusion Detection Systems, IDS, and Intrusion Prevention Systems, IPS, come in. Think of them like security cameras. But for your digital traffic, an IDS monitors network traffic for suspicious activity. But here's the catch: it doesn't take action. Instead, it sends alerts when something looks off. For example, if a hacker is scanning your network for weaknesses, IDS notices and lets your security team know. IDS is reactive. It spots the issue and warns you. It's like a fire alarm going off, but it won't put the fire out. An IPS, on the other hand, goes a step further. It not only detects threats, it blocks them. If it sees unusual traffic or a known attack pattern, it can shut it down in real time. It can drop malicious packets, block IP addresses, or cut off dangerous connections instantly. IPS is proactive, more like a bodyguard than an alarm. Some systems combine both IDS and IPS in one. This hybrid model watches, analyzes, alerts, and takes action. It helps keep networks safe from known threats like malware and zero-day exploits. They work by comparing network activity to a database of known attack signatures and behavior patterns, using things like machine learning and anomaly detection. So, what is IDS? IPS? It's your cyber early warning system, and sometimes your automatic defense. IDS detects intrusions. IPS prevents them. Together, they help stop threats before they become disasters. In a world full of digital dangers, IDS/IPS is your first line of defense.